Hi guys, where are we going?
To the big house.
Oh, big house somewhere.
Is that where you're going, yeah?
You see the signs?
Ah, okay, so thank you.
Hey, no, thank you. Yeah, thank you.
We're on our way to Waterford County Fair, and it's actually here in Portlaw. Well, actually, Curraghmore House.
Curraghmore House.
This house is owned by a lord called named
25
Lord
euros a family.
Waterford.
Oh no, we were two families.
Two families, yeah. One, well.
One for him, one for him.
Well, you're not
So-
even together, are you? No.
We're together.
Okay.
All together, yeah. 25, yeah?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Sorry, I was getting confused. As well.
Okay.
The shield.
County Fair. Hey, what's up, guys? Now, we're walking through the forest here in Curraghmore. No, we can probably go this way.
Oh, this is over.
Will we go this way?
Anyway,
No, go this way, John. We go this way. Alright, so we're going this way.
all food stands in the court.
In courtyard. Oh, look at that. That's a nice one. That's
Oh, kids activity.
there's something they made that, I'd say.
You see that before, no?
No.
Come on there. Your brother's in here, Don. You know.
I was on the bus one time going to Exeter from Cork, and this American lady was like,
if they
how far
are,
is it
it
to
would
Youghal?
help
And I was like, what is she talking about? But yeah, he'll stop at JJ's, just ring him, it's every Friday.
She put in the flask.
What do you think, Minnie? I can put you in there. You run around like a lunatic and you still stuck to your hand.
I want to see the bird.
Oh yeah.
I want to see the
Go.
Yeah.
Please keep dogs back because whoa, look at them. Woo. Going to be like a feast for the dogs. OMG.
Are you going to have the box?
Go in there.
Harris Hawk is from Mexico, Peru, and Chile, South American raptors.
Okay.
Okay? His name is Max.
Max.
Does he know his name?
Maxie, what's up?
Whoa!
Whoa!
Well done, Dara.
Look here, Dara. Look.
Dara.
Said it's raining. And of course, the Irish weather strikes back. Whew. Careful, huh?
Hey.
Don't let go.
Hey, can we keep our shoes? We have to keep our shoes at the shelter.
That's the Curraghmore House in Waterford, owned by Lord Waterford.
This one on your belly. And there's 2 pence to pull it back. And then
The Vikings. Oh. The Viking food. That is. Ah!
hey, Captain America.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Okay.
Have you enjoyed the shield? You can try one of the shields if you
Wanna
like.
try that?
Yeah.
Go for it.
Yeah,
man.
try it. Yeah.
There you go, buddy. There you are. And then, would you like to try a weapon as well? Would you like an axe, sword? Friend?
Oh.
Now you're ready for that.
Now, look here. Look here. Yeah. Whoa. What's up, guys?
We're in on the rain.
We were over we were in the other tree.
We want full coat feet in.
No, we
That's
can't put
massive.
it up in here. They're on loads and loads.
would be the best.
Yeah, I might put this in the really should more than to be in the brood bridge.
Garlic. Garlic. Come on.
What's with the it's a medal or something? Or the ribbon?
I do not want to hold your
Huh?
hand ever again.
That's the winners.
Of winners, are they?
Same with horses and cows. They give a rosette.
Ah, is that rosette? How do you
The
rosette?
big dog.
We're here, kind of. I'm looking at. Of course, it's a county fair, so they're showcasing some hunting dogs here. There seems to be a like a contest going on. Okay, with all the dogs, hunting dogs, and have a look. They are being judged. I don't know how. We just witnessed the hunting dog competition, I suppose, which I have no clue really how it's being judged, except for the fact that I'm kind of looking at them. You know, the trainers were just trying to kind of guide them to go somewhere here and there. So I don't know how they judge that. And the trainers, they're wearing white coats, which is like you know, it's getting ready there to get some mud.
All right.
I like bouncy castle.
Do you?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going anyway. Let's go so.
Don't touch the water!
Yeah. Whoa.
It has to be wet!
I know.
No, you can only go that way. Electrosonic statue dies again.
Wow, nice.
You can only go that way.
Now don't be
Go.
What is that supposed to be? Like
Sitting down there.
ah. Are you the king? That's where the king sits. Sit down. Wow. That's a king. It's time to go home, and we had a lot of fun, I suppose. Myself and the kids and the wife, and I happened to talk to this like swordsman. I kind of stopped and then had some videos done, and it's cool, man. So hopefully you've enjoyed the clips as well, and that's the way we do it here in Waterford, or in Ireland in general. Weekends we go somewhere. There will always be like a festival somewhere. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.